Kaya wala nang ipataw, busy ka ikaw. Hindi na kitang daw excuses lagi. Ano, magsige man o excuses. Lindon.
Mga propose lang.
Wala nang ipataw si Lindon.
Wala.
Kisa may dali akong patuod na. Si Jam? Dili akong patuod si Jam. Pagsuot lagi, pag mag-R50 kaya naku katingog si Jam. Masaya, lang yun. Nagsipayawan. Hindi ka lang kayo.
Sorry miss, I forgot na miss.
24 hours later.
Tapos wala pa daw. Ang kato bang may egg white sa Lindon, 75,000. Di ka siya mabayad niya.
20,000. Gusto.
Di siya mabayad sa man.
Basta.
A few minutes later.
Ito yan, nagaan ako excuses ma.
Ma'am, sorry din tayo. Focus na ako. Ako lang yung absultan.
Dapat sila pa sa mga ako. Kaya kinanglan sila. Kato sa Archie, bunay-bunay ba? Di ba, naiinom sa nasa contract ka mo ba? Yung mga sila.
Huwag mo kung papangunahan sa ano ka, pwede kitang kasuhan.
So ano ni?
Mutana pa na before kung nabay website sila niya anong naang sa graphics ba. So dili yung tana sa inyo nana ba. Mo pud
IT sa dyan. Dapat din sa sila i-leave. Bisan nga rin pa English, hindi na mag-English kaya mabisaya rin hapon. Nakatawa na ba yun ko? Alright, smiling. Barong ibarong mo. Isa pa ako kuhan dyan. Di ba mo sila ma-handle? So, need nila to sila kuhan. With regards to Jam, kaya Leo, Lindon, and you also John.
What?
The problem is everyone. Barong wait mo.
tanan.
Happy birthday!
Father's Day is super special to me, for sure, since my kids are not here. So you guys are sort of all my adopted children or grandchildren, depending on. We have a very special opportunity in this company, and you guys are doing really great work. I'm expecting things to get even better. This project that we're working on with Casa Amorosa is something I'm really passionate about because it's actually helping people, especially with riders that have been scammed a lot. Everywhere around the world, people want the same thing. They want love in their heart, a roof over their head, and food in their belly. It's just very, very simple, right? And you guys, primarily in your country, you guys have to be the breadwinners. And that's why you guys are here to help your families, and you guys are doing a really great job. So God bless all of you. I don't eat cake, but this other shit I will eat, so enjoy it.